Need to make quick camera settings changes to your camera while on Teams online meetings? Well, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you just how to do that without even leaving the Teams app. Let's go. Okay, so I have Microsoft Teams open and you can see my camera's on. One great way to test this with a full frame is just to hit the Meet Now button and only set up a meeting with yourself and have the camera running. But now I can tell I need to tweak my image a little bit. It looks a little bit too dark to me and I might want to zoom in a little bit. So let's see how we can fix that inside of Teams. So I'm going to go to the three dots here next to my picture in the main screen of Microsoft Teams. Now I'm going to go into Settings. And inside of Settings, you can see all the different settings that we have. I'm going to go to Devices. And here you can see all the different devices I have set up. Now, of course, I can set up a different camera here, which I've got a few set up and available. What I'm going to do is actually open camera settings. So these controls are going to come from Windows. So you can see the UI is a little bit different. And these are built-in Windows controls. Now, what I want to do is actually turn up my brightness a little bit. I'll go to maybe 70%. Okay, maybe 66%. That looks good. Now if I go, I can also do contrast, hue, saturation, sharpness, gamma. Now these settings will vary based on your camera and what settings they actually publish to the universal camera controls inside of Windows. If I go to camera control, I can also, if I want to zoom in a little bit on my frame, so let's say I just want to go a little bit more zoomed in, I can go ahead and do that. I can also do things like pan and tilt if I want to really set up exactly the frame I want. So in this case, I just want to be right here, and now I'll hit apply, and then I'll hit OK. So now let's go back to our meeting. Okay, so now back in my camera settings, I can see now that the changes have been made. My picture's a bit brightened up. I'm zoomed in a little bit, you can see here. So now I have it exactly how I want it. So that was just a really quick tip on how you can adjust your camera settings, your brightness, your contrast, and others, all from within the Teams app using settings that are available now, brand new in Microsoft Teams. If you like this tip, be sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already yet, and thank you so much for watching.